Alright, so this is the lighting that we have. Okay, that goes on this cabinet. We need this and this cord. So this kit comes with, you can plug, you can turn it on, it has separate switch, but we're deleting the switch. Okay, so we only need this end. That goes here. So we just cut it about here. Yeah. Alright, so like to see which one is positive and negative. This is positive, that's negative. If you go back here, that's a neutral or negative with a stripe on it. Okay. Solid one is positive. Positive. Okay, so this is ready. Let's go up there. Alright. So now this one. Shit. What's that? Look it off. Put it down. Okay, so this is going to be fixed. So go up there. So we're gonna test it first before maybe closing it up. Right, make sure everything works. Now let's go. Let's go for the. Let's go in the other room. We're going to connect this. So I tapped it inside here, okay? Because it's only like low voltage, so you don't really need to separate. So this one is live. Okay. It's okay. There. So this is the wire. I ran it through the other day. Went up there. I think so. Alright, we're just gonna make sure where's the constant. I'm pretty sure it's this one. Let's check the continuity. Okay. So right now, pocket buffers. Stick it up about that inch. Hang on. Okay. Okay, so good. Okay, let's test it first. It's either one of this. Okay. So this is the light. So it's gonna be automatic. Where's the switch? There. Okay, so working. It's on auto right now. We're continuing the lighting. So the lighting we're going to be installing right under the shelves, not on here. So this wire. And there's going to be a clip that's supposed to be going here. So here's the clips that we'll replace those. There you go. These two. Something. All right, let's do this one. So now we can hook this. Just make sure you put it somewhere. Not in here. Put this one. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we're good. All right. Let's check the
We
light.
can go and look at those flooring boards over there.
There you go.